Hey, it's Ash here from UNSW AV, here to demonstrate how to connect to our UNSW hybrid teaching spaces. Select internal computer and display on projector or projectors depending on which room you are teaching. All hybrid rooms are supplied with wireless microphones. Ensure you wear the lapel microphone and position the lapel at your chest to ensure optimal audio quality. In all hybrid teaching spaces, there's also a roving microphone for in-person student discussions and Q&A activities. Via the volume control options on the AMX touch panel, you can mute the microphones for in-room and online participants. Once you finish your class, ensure to put the lapel microphone and roving microphone back in the cradle provided. This will charge the microphone for the next teacher. If you find that the microphone is not charged, please contact 54888 where a fresh battery will be provided. Sign into the internal computer using your ZID and password. Double-click onto the Teams icon provided on the desktop. This will sign you automatically into Teams. You can preview the camera by toggling on and off here. You can also toggle on and off your microphone here. Once you are happy, select Join Now. Once connected, you are now ready to teach. Share content as you would normally. Click the arrow and select the screen. I suggest using the screen as the option for hybrid teaching. Internal PCs have OneDrive already on the desktop. Here you'll be able to select your PowerPoint, Now you are displaying your PowerPoint and in-room students and online students will be able to view. You can also connect to your class using your BYOD device with the USB-C cable provided. This will connect to the microphones in the room and also the camera, similar to the internal computer. By using your BYOD device, you can moderate and monitor the class without disrupting the in-room presentation. Camera control is found in room control. By selecting camera control, you have two options, tracking on or tracking off. Once tracking is turned on, you have no control of the camera. However, the camera will follow your movements in the room. If you find that the camera is not on you, you may reset the position of the camera by pressing this button here. If you would like to use preset camera, select tracking off. Here you have three presets. Presenter, which is as close up at the lectern. Board focuses on a wider shot, including the blackboard or whiteboard. And class takes a wide shot of the class provided. If you'd like to take control, you can also use the pan left, right, or tilt up and down, or zoom in and out. If the hybrid teaching space is also equipped with two projectors and screen, you can use your BYOD device to split screens. You can have the presentation on one screen and the gallery view on the other. To display document camera for in-room and online students, click on the ellipsis or three dots at the bottom left corner in Teams. Here you can switch camera. Your online participants and in-room students can now view the document camera. Thanks for watching, and for any technical assistance, please contact 54888 on the phone provided on the lectern or contact IT services on the link below.